Hi, beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders because today's video is for every woman who is soft, quite shy, but secretly holds so much strength. If you have ever felt like your voice doesn't matter or you hold back because you are scared of being judged, this is your safe space. Here, we grow gently, we heal softly, and we step into confidence in a way that feels feminine, graceful, and true to you. So grab your tea, get cozy, and let's dive in. Because today we are learning how to be confident
even if you are shy. So let's start.
understanding shyness. First, let's gently acknowledge something important. Being shy is not a flaw. Shyness does not make you weak. It does not make you less. It just means you are cautious, observant, and sensitive to energy around you. The challenge comes when shyness stops you from expressing yourself, taking opportunities, or showing your true sparkle. Confidence is not about being loud, it's about trusting yourself softly, owning your space, and speaking your truth, even if your voice trembles. And yes, you can do this, I promise. I promise. Signs you are shy but capable. You might be shy if you notice things like you carefully think before speaking. You observe more than you participate. You care deeply about others people's feelings. You avoid drama and prefer calm spaces. You are kind, gentle, but sometimes invisible. These are not weaknesses, they are your soft feminine power. We just need to layer a little confidence on top, gently and softly. Why confidence matters? Confidence is like a soft cloth that makes your inner beauty shine outward. When you are confident, you can honor your feelings and say no when needed. You trust your decisions without constant second guessing. You stop letting others' opinions control your mood. Your presence becomes magnetic even if you are soft spoken. Confidence is not being bold or aggressive, it's quietly owning your space and your worth. So, my beautiful souls, first of all, you have to accept your shyness. First, gently accept yourself as you are. Stop saying, I'm too shy or I will never be confident. Instead, try this. I am learning, I am growing every day, I can speak up one step at a time. Acceptance is the first step to transformation. Soft body language. Confidence starts in your body, not your words. Stand or sit with a straight posture. Lift your chin slightly. Maintain soft eye contact. Smile gently. Breathe slowly and calmly. Even small adjustments make you feel grounded and present. Step 3. Speak small and speak simple. You do not need a long speeches to show confidence. Start with tiny phrases like good morning, thank you so much, I had loved to help, can I share my opinion? Little by little, your voice will grow stronger, softly but powerfully. Step 4. Prepare ahead. Before meetings, gatherings, or conversations, think, what do I want to say? How will I say it? What's my purpose? Preparation calms the nervous mind and makes your shy feel safe and ready. Step 5. Stop overthinking others' opinions. This is tough but so freeing. People rarely notice your fears, most are busy with their own lives. Relax, smile, speak, and remember one thing, your worth doesn't depend on anyone's judgment. Step number 6, daily small brave actions. Like confidence is a muscle, we grow it slowly. Try one small brave act each day, like send a voice note instead of text, share your opinions in a small group, speak to a stranger kindly, make eye contact while ordering coffee. Every little act builds your confidence naturally. Step number 7, keep a confidence journal. Before bed, write 2 to 3 lines like what brave thing did I do today? What made me proud of myself? One thing I will try tomorrow. Your mind will slowly from I am shy to I can do this. So, here I put some real life examples. Scenario 1 will be the family gatherings. Instead of staying silent, say a small line. Hi, how are you? Your soft presence still gets noticed. Scenario 2, like work or university. Prepare 2 to 3 sentences to share your ideas. Confidence grows when you gently express yourself. Scenario 3, like social interactions. Speak clearly, even your voice trembles. I understand, thank you. Confidence does not have to be loud, it can be gentle and magnetic. So, lovely souls, confidence is not about changing who you are, it's about trusting yourself, honoring your feelings, and stepping into your power softly, gracefully, and unapologetically. Take a small step every day. Celebrate your wins no matter how teeny. Your voice matters, your feelings matter, and you, beautiful, are enough, just as you are. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which small step you will take today to feel more confident. Stay soft, stay powerful, and always be your beautiful self.